Hi, welcome to my channel. So I was in a salon where I went to make this hair. So while the braider was complimenting people around her, she complimented my skin in particular. She said, "Ma'am, I love the way your skin glows." That she could actually see her face on my skin. Well, it was funny. It sounded funny, by the way. Though I thanked her, and she asked me, "How do you do it? Like, how did you get to achieve this kind of skin?" I told her, "Skincare." Yes. I told her, "You have to take your skincare seriously." Oh, she laughed. She was like, "Well, I don't even have the time for that." Well, if you need people to compliment your skin and you just want to make that statement, you just want to make that changes on your skin, you need to take your skincare routine seriously. And even if you're taking your skincare routine seriously and you're not seeing any results, it's not yielding any result, well, calm down. I have something for you. Yes, you didn't hear wrong. I have something for you, something that can help you achieve that glowy and flawless skin. What am I talking about? I'm talking about how to exfoliate your skin. You need to introduce an exfoliant in your skincare routine. If you don't have an exfoliant, you need to get that right now. Right now. You need to get it right now. An exfoliant helps in removing dead skin cells. Okay, it removes the dead skin cells. Your skin, right? Yes, this skin, there are some certain dead skin cells lying around that you can't even see with your bare eyes. So you need exfoliants to take them off in order for your skin to regenerate and glow. Yes, they cannot just glow on its own. You need to do something. You need to take care of the skin for your skincare to work perfectly. So that's where this scrub comes in. Okay, there are chemical exfoliants as well, but I use this one in particular. This is Care Beau. Okay, it's Care Beau Spa Lightening Salt Scrub. Okay, it comes in 700 gram. 700 gram. Seeing the label on it, yes, I hope you can see it properly. I've been using this for like 2 months now. I've been using this for like 2 months now, and I'm telling you the truth, I love the results I've been getting this whole time. Like, my skin is a lot softer. Yes, my skin is a lot softer. My skin is glowing. To confirm this, okay, you can go back to some of my old videos that I've posted, try and compare them to this present video right now. Okay, you will definitely see something different. Okay, you will definitely see something different on this skin. Yes, so this body scrub in particular has been good. Like, it has been wonderful. Okay, the body scrub on its own is so affordable. Okay, like, the price is mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. Okay, should I tell you the price? Okay, it will blow your mind. Okay, I got this for 2,500 naira. Yes, I didn't stutter. Yes, I got it for 2,500 naira. It's very affordable, very, very affordable, and it works. It works actually. So there's no shame in trying out good skincare that are affordable. There's no shame in it. Okay, the economy is very, we all know, if you're in Nigeria, you know what is happening right now, and you know that you just have to spend wisely. So there's no shame in getting a product that can work for you and that is also affordable. So personally, I am recommending this for you. Okay, this is the tamarind. Yes, the tamarind. They have different types, okay, but personally I'm using this tamarind. Get whichever one you think you like, but I actually like this in particular. So you can try it, you can actually try it and know what works for you, okay. You can try and get the chemical one, which personally I haven't tried that yet. So yeah, so you should try this. I've been using this for like 2 months, okay. See, I've been using this for like 2 months. See, you can see, right? Yes, and it's been working for me. It has really been working for me, okay. So why don't you just try it out, okay? Try it out and come back and tell me how it is, okay. You need to incorporate a body scrub in your skincare routine. You definitely need it. Yes, you definitely need a body scrub in your skincare routine, okay. So right now I'm going to show you how I use this body scrub, okay. Most people don't really know how to use the body scrubs, okay. So I'm going to show you how to use it in order to achieve results, just like I have achieved results. Right now, even my palm is a lot softer than before, okay. Even my skin is a lot softer and silky, okay. Yes, I'm not going to lie to you. Okay guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, this is the time you subscribe to my, please subscribe to my channel in order to help my channel grow, okay, and so that the algorithm can push my video to more audience, okay. I can't do this without you. Please watch to the end, like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel, okay. Thank you very much.